The last thing we want when we do a mitzvah is to be a hypocrite. God, I want to do my mitzvah with a pure heart. And therefore, when I give charity and people see me, or when I give charity and it's for a selfish reason, for honor, for whatever it is, I rather just not do it. My friend, when you give charity, the person benefiting from charity doesn't really care what you think. And he gets the benefit of that charity. So put your ego aside, put your calculations aside, and start giving. And the way to give, Maimonides says, Akol lefi rov ha'maaseh. The way you should give is in many times, to get yourself used to giving. The more you give, the more your heart opens. The more your heart opens, the more the gates of heaven open to make you a channel to give and to receive. So next time you have these ideas, foolish ideas that come through your head, don't pay attention to them. Look at the end result. Help your fellow.